All right, we're all packed up and ready to go. Hi, is this Joe? Hi, this is Kevin with West Michigan Glass Coatings. How you doing today? Awesome. Just calling to let you know that we're about 30 minutes out. All right, we'll see you then. Bye-bye now.
Right on time. You could set your watch to these guys.
Hi there, I'm Kevin. This is Steve. We're here to install some window film for you. Where would you like us to put our stuff?
Right on in here. Come on in.
Kevin, I need two 24 by 61.
Coming right up.
Oh, it all looks great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Just so you know, it takes 30 days to cure.
Okay.
Here's my card.
Mm-hmm.
If you wouldn't mind giving us a review, we'd greatly appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
And Brittany will be emailing you with all the warranty information and all of the proper care instructions.
Fabulous. You guys are the best.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.